Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sisters Vlog by Ellen, and I would like to share a simple idea to make a boring wall into an artistic one. Skim coat, latex paint at clear gloss lang. Ayos na. Laking tipid nito guys, promise, napakaganda ng resulta. Kung gusto nyong mapaganda ang inyong dingding na instead plain white wall lang, gawin nyo ito. Di mo na kailangan mag-hire pa ng pintor dahil kahit sino pwede gawin ito. Napakasimple lang at napakabilis. At para mas lalo siyang maganda, i-finishing touch nyo ng clear gloss. Yun lang. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more home ideas. Thank you for watching. Mwah, 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 mwah.